Here we will see how can we use Vlookup with if statement. So this is our given table. This is employee ID, this is name, this is department, and this is salary fee. Now our question is we have to give 10% of bonus to the employees whose salary is 50,000 or less than 50,000, and 5% to those whose salary is more than 50,000. For that, first we'll go for Vlookup to find the salary of employees. Then we have to check that if that salary which we got through Vlookup is less than equals to 50,000, then 10% bonus, otherwise 5% bonus. For that, we'll write equals to if, then bracket, then in bracket we'll write Vlookup, and then again Vlookup's bracket. Then we have to give lookup value. I'm giving employee ID 1, comma, then table array. This is table array, comma, index number, column index number. I have to get the salary, so it is in as it is in column 4, so I will write 4 here, comma. Then for exact match, I will give 0 here. I'm closing Vlookup's bracket. Now I have to check if the salary which I will be getting through this formula is less than equals to 50,000. Then what I have to give? I have to give 10% bonus. 10%. Otherwise, I have to give 5% bonus. Bracket close and then enter. So employee ID 1 will be getting 10% bonus. If I change employee ID 1 from 2, it will change to 5% bonus. Now I don't want to change employee ID here again and again. I just want a drop down here. So select the cell, go to data validation, and in data validation we'll select list, and in source we'll be giving our range. I'm selecting it from employee ID EID because I have to change bonus according to employee ID. Then OK. Here we have got drop down. If I change it again from 2 to 1, bonus will change to 10%. If I change it to employee ID 7, it will change to 5%.